Are you someone whose life just doesn't suit traditional 9 to 5 work? Or you just can't get 9 to 5 work because you've got kids, or people think you're too old, or you're not good enough somehow, or there are no jobs where you live? Or do they think that because you're different somehow that you couldn't possibly be up to doing that 9 to 5 job? Hi, I'm Trudy Rankin, and my team and I work with people whose lives don't suit traditional 9 to 5 work. Our online business liftoff program and community are specifically designed to get online businesses started and growing without wasting a lot of time, money, or energy. Our YouTube channel is tailored to help you start and grow your business. We teach you how to find your business idea, how to get set up with the basic tools to make your business run, how to help people find and buy from you, success metrics and analytics, and even interviews with other business owners on confidence building tips, collaboration ideas, networking, getting the best out of LinkedIn, hiring your first staff member, and much, much more. So if this sounds like you, but you're worried that your digital technology skills won't cut it, this is the place for you. Do you have an idea for a business, but you're not confident about it? Yep, still the right place. Do you already have a business, but you need it to take off? This is definitely the right place for you. We regularly post videos that will help you get the right things done in the right way so you're building a solid business that's still going to be going strong 10 years from now, 15 years from now. Now, these videos are based on experience and things my team and I have learned from all the mistakes and successes we've had. I've been in the digital space a long time, first as a chief information officer and then as an online business owner. And I started out with a consultancy business, but then had a meeting with the CEO of Vision Australia, Ron Hooton, that completely changed the direction of what I was doing. And in that meeting, I told Ron about the work I'd done with Shahan, one of Vision Australia's clients. And I'd been helping Shahan learn how to earn money from the blog posts he was writing. And I said to Ron, hey, this worked great, and I'd love to run a pilot program for more of your blind and partially sighted clients. And that teaches them how to set up an online business. What do you reckon? And Ron didn't even hesitate. He just slapped the table and he said, let's do it. So that was the start of the Online Business Liftoff program and community, where we successfully help people who struggle to fit the traditional 9 to 5 mold learn how to start their own online business. And once again, I'm your host, Trudy Rankin, and I look forward to helping you successfully set up your business online so that you can support your family, help other people, and take back control of your employment future. Be your own boss. So be sure to subscribe so you'll know when new videos come out and you can get started on your new future. Do it today and you'll be glad that you did.